Saying every woman has a right to be fully informed, the Health Committee of the Pennsylvania House has approved a bill to offer women the opportunity to view ultrasound images prior to abortions. Facilities performing abortions would be required to offer such ultrasounds and printed images of them 24 hours in advance of an abortion. The prime sponsor of the Woman's Right to Know law, State Representative Kathy Rapp of Warren County, says real informed choice for women begins with getting all the facts.
This bill states that the facilities, the providers, must provide to the woman the opportunity to view an ultrasound and the information regarding that ultrasound, the gestational age, the development of the child, and whether or not there's a heartbeat of the child. And it gives women more information regarding that child. For many years we've been told it's a blob of tissue. Science and technology is showing that it is not just a blob of tissue, it's a developing child.
Lawmakers supporting the bill say it provides women with more information and greater knowledge before making an irreversible decision.
We do know that the more people who have ultrasounds, who see that life forming within them, they make choices that are, again, more informed, but often in favor of the side of life. And so I am very encouraged by that direction. But ultimately, the more knowledge, the better when it comes to health care.
Supporters say the measure would not require women to view the ultrasounds, but they would be offered the opportunity to do so. More than 20 other states require abortion facilities to offer ultrasound imaging to women in advance of such procedures.